Ho, 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 y'all. Let's get to griddling. So, between the weather lately and it gets dark at, you know, by the time you wake up, it's getting dark already. I haven't really shopped for anything to griddle. And I don't even have cheese to make a griddled cheese, so we're just going to try throwing something together. Chicken and veggies. Let's see how it goes. These frozen chicken tenderloin things are pretty handy for days when you need some kind of protein with your meal. So I like the look of that one. Anyway, these griddle up quick. You don't have to thaw them. You know, so much stuff has to be thawed. And I don't plan ahead half the time, so I don't even think of taking something out to thaw it half the time. Until it's too late. Like Sunday brunch, I think about taking out bacon to thaw Sunday morning when I'm ready to cook. Not the sharpest knife in the drawer, I admit it. So, chicken and veggies. It's almost time to make more. My granulated salt, or no, what is it? Sea salt, coarse ground sea salt, granulated pepper, garlic, some Mrs. Dash, some smoked paprika, and whatever else. I think there's some onion flakes in there. It's time to make more. Let's see what else. So many yummy things. Padilla complete. I'm really starting to like this stuff. A lot of herbs and stuff to spice up your foods. And I'll probably maybe grab some Italian seasoning and who knows what else. And there's something else that's really going to speed up the process. I'll grab that and I'll be right back. The dome. This thing really helps cook everything quicker and more thoroughly. And especially with chicken, you don't want to poison yourself. So I'm going to let that go for a little bit and we'll be back. Hi! Welcome back from that commercial break. Today's sponsors: NASCAR, the NFL, the NBA, MLB, RESPCT, sock it to me, sock it to me, sock it to me. So, just a couple minutes under the dome. Look at that. It's amazing how much quicker and it may be flat enough now. Let's give it a shot. Look at that. Now the veggies, that bag I showed you, I was just gonna, okay, this one's pepper. I was just gonna dump the veggies on the griddle like I usually do with frozen veggies. And then I started reading the directions, which I don't normally do. Real men do need no stinking directions. But this once. I can microwave them. They're steamable in the bag for like 4.5 minutes. Or I could stick them on the griddle, stick them under the dome, and take like 10 minutes. So I went with the steam in the bag in the microwave. And in a couple minutes I'll go drag them out, toss them on the griddle with everything else, which is chicken. And I think that's going to go good. So we have our homemade seasoning. Oh man, that smells good. We got some twist off. What a concept. Let's stir this up a little. That's right, Baja. That's our co-host, Baja, giving it cooking advice. A little bit of Italian. Uh-oh. It won't stay. Because, you know, Italian. And I found this chicken flavored bouillon powder. And there, why not? See what happens. Probably throw that on the veggies too. So one more little mix up here. And cover, steam, and hopefully the veggies will be done, and I'll show you some tasty meal in a few minutes. And we're back. I'm glad you stuck around. I'm so glad we had this time together, just to have a laugh, sing a song. Seems like we just get started. Oh, I forgot what I was doing. Sorry. You know, I bet one thing you don't have to worry about in your everyday is stepping in peacock poop. A peacock pooped up here on our patio. So rude. And in case you're curious, I didn't step in it, by the way. I mean, it's too big to miss. So, this is our esteemed guest. That's right, Baja. Seriously, that stuff is big. Almost like horse manure. Right, Baja? So we got our veggies. We can turn this off now, I think. Got our veggies. Got our meat. She's not talking about peacock poop. She's wanting me to throw her tennis ball, which she likes to stick under my meat. So, more of the chicken bouillon. Just because. And maybe, just maybe, a little more Italian. And, I think we're ready. What do you think? I don't care what you think. That's not true. Unless you disagree with me, then I don't care. Baja cares if there's a ball or food. She eats practically anything except peacock poop. Is that enough conversation about peacock poop? I think so. Let's move on. Okay. That last little bit won't leave, so we'll leave it. Would you like a closer look? Of course you would. Yum. Looky, looky. Chicken is yummy. Veggies are yummy. While this is hot, let us do that scraper. Look how easy. Okay, may have to add a little more water. Once it cools, I'll wipe it down with paper towels or old t-shirt. Found a bag of old t-shirts at Ace that work perfectly. But that's all you gotta do, and then a very light layer of veggie oil to season, keep it protected, and that's it. We're done. So, hopefully the weather will cooperate, and we'll get some more griddling done before spring gets here. And y'all have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.